In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove inactive subscribers from your email list. Keeping your list clean improves deliverability, boosts engagement rates, and helps make sure your emails reach the people who value them most. We'll walk through exactly how to find inactive contacts, review them carefully, and safely remove them, or pause emailing them, depending on what you need. Start by opening your email platform and heading to the audience area, then choose Contacts. This is where you can see everyone on your list and access powerful tools to narrow things down. Once you're there, look for the Filter or Segments option. This lets you zero in on subscribers who are no longer engaging. Common, reliable filters include contacts who haven't opened any emails in the past 3 to 6 months, or contacts who haven't clicked links during that same period. Choose the time frame that makes sense for your sending frequency. For example, if you email weekly, 3 months of no opens is a strong indicator of inactivity. If you email monthly, you might extend that window to 6 months. After applying your filters, review the results. Make sure these contacts truly fit your definition of inactive and aren't just recent signups who haven't had a chance to interact yet. If everything looks right, select the subscribers using the checkboxes next to their names. Many platforms let you select all on the page, and sometimes all across the filtered results. Take a moment to double-check the total number selected so it matches your expectations. With your contacts selected, open the 3-dot menu, often shown as an ellipsis, and choose Delete Contacts. You'll see a confirmation prompt because deletion is permanent. Read the message carefully before you proceed. This step removes the contacts and their email permission from your list, and you won't be able to restore them later. If you're fully confident these subscribers are inactive and you don't need their records, confirm the deletion. If you'd like to keep their data for reporting or historical context, but stop emailing them, consider using Archive instead of Delete. Archiving removes them from active sending while preserving their profile, tags, and past activity. You can unarchive them later if needed, which makes it a safer option when you're unsure. That's the full process. Locate your contacts, filter for inactivity, select carefully, and either delete permanently or archive to pause communications. Cleaning your list this way keeps your metrics accurate and helps ensure your messages land with people who want to hear from you.